Starting YouTube.
First thing you're gonna need is a camera. This. Today we're gonna make some content. Today we're gonna start a TikTok live. Whichever kind of content you wanna make, you make it. So a couple reasons why I get asked every once in a while, like, how do you do it? You don't need a PC to edit videos, you can do it on your phone. I just happen to have a PC. So, just gonna set this here. Let's do this.
So once you open up YouTube, you're gonna wanna see your profile picture. That's where you're gonna create a channel, which is right here. I know on PC it looks different than mobile, but the concept is all the same. So this is where you create a channel. Once you click create a channel, it's gonna have you enter your info, like an email, date of birth, your name. Once your account is created, you're gonna wanna go back up to your view profile. And this is where you upload a video. And assuming you already have some content made, this is where you're gonna wanna go to upload it. Oh, and just a quick side note, if you do record it on your cell phone vertical and upload it from your phone, it'll upload as a short. So before I upload anything, I wanted to grab the kids for a quick profile picture, and I think they turned out pretty decent. And now we journey on up to where I got a custom green screen made, because it's easier to crop them out if there's a green screen behind them. And you don't have to go this extra, that's just me.
Ooh, first brand deal?
Yep. This video is sponsored by Mystery Class.
Oh yeah. Hi, Freya.
Don't think about it.
Oh, there's that cat. Oh, the cats. Oh, whoa. What is that?
It's Kimchi.
Got an interruption. Alright, what kind of gaming pose you want to do? And after I think we got the right shots, it was time to go back down to the computer station and edit. Freya. So yesterday I did a video for them, just like an old recording that they made themselves. I found the footage and I put it together. I know the gaming theme is saturated, it's what everyone tells me, but they like seeing themselves on screen. Sometimes it's what it's about. Just do it for the fun, not for the numbers. So I like to use Lightroom as my editing software. I uploaded all my photos, went through them, and I think I found the right ones that I wanted to use. So to make it easier for editing, I cropped in a little bit so there's nothing but green screen. Magic. So the banner kind of stretches along the top of the profile. So after I crop them out, I could put them in front of a nice background, and that's the banner. And when you think you're ready, you go to customize channel, and then you just enter the basic info, like the name of your channel, a description telling viewers what your channel is about. You could even add your Instagram account, your TikTok account, or any related socials. Hit publish once you're done, and now we're ready for the profile picture. And as you can see, I'm just clicking over the profile picture where it's going to take me to I could either add a banner, a profile picture, a watermark if you have one. And this is a cool example of how people will see your banner depending on what device they use, either on computer, TV, mobile. It's pretty cool. Once you're satisfied, you just hit done, and now you got a banner. Just upload a photo, which this is pretty cool. It'll work for now. And whenever you make any change, always hit publish. And now we're ready to upload a video either here or here. Now the screen record doesn't show you my file, but I'm choosing my file, and you click it and it is technically uploading. Now while we're waiting for it to upload, you can see down here there's the uploading status, so you know when it's done. Now while we wait for the video to upload, it's the perfect time to add a title. And then also you could add your description, which could have some hashtags. It could have some SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. So once the video uploads, it'll choose a thumbnail for you. But what I like to do is go on over to Canva, where it has a lot of templates. And this is one I just have saved, and I'm gonna upload an image I found from Google, which is the game that they play in this video. And it's very customizable. You could do whatever you wanna do. I'm gonna send this image to the back so all of the artwork is in front. And there's just a little too much. Let me just clean it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna keep some of the spray paint graffiti because it's kind of like that Mystery Class brand. You know, it's just some spray paint in the teal color. Put this little flash right here, make it look like the gun's going. Next I'm gonna choose my font, which Oddworld is the game, and it kind of has this Western font. I'm gonna go on over back to Google just to verify the colors. Let me see. Here's a good one. So this is what it looks like a brownish, orange, yellow, and we're gonna have a little fun.
And this is where I feel like Bob Ross, you know, just paint your canvas. And that title looks a little lonely to me. It needs a friend. So this title is going to be more the eye catcher. And since we're doing a timed level, I'm literally calling it timed level. And once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, save the image where you could find it and upload it to the thumbnail. And as the video uploads, you see these 3 boxes right here. These are the automatic thumbnails to choose from once the video's done. And we're adding this to this playlist called Odd Road in case we make some more Odd Road videos. And right now, I'm gonna choose yes, it's made for kids. It just means you can't comment. It's for safety and stuff. Here's where you add your hashtags. Now under category, this is not a people and blogs video, so I gotta go down here to, what is it, gaming, entertainment? Well, you could choose whatever genre the video's about. Here it is, gaming. Generally, when you upload a video that's not made for kids, you could add an end screen, a suggestive video. Once the video's done, it'll have like a little preview. But with kids content, you're not allowed to do that. Pretty much just keep hitting next. This is where you can set it to be public. So as soon as the video is done uploading, it'll be on YouTube. Hit that publish button and we wait. Now it's important, you could close out of this tab, but don't close out of YouTube, because then it'll stop the upload. And now this is your first official video. And YouTube will basically teach you how to use their platform. Want to end the video? Yeah? Come on. End the video. You found a bouncy ball? Ah, bouncy balls are the key. I read that in a fortune cookie one time, that the bouncy ball is the key to everything. I'm not sure what that meant. Never forgot it though. Vigo wants to show you something. Nice. Never doubt the bouncy ball. Never doubt the bouncy ball.